Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this subway tile that I use for my backsplash. Got it from Home Depot. It's called Daltile Restore Bright White 12 by 12 ceramic mosaic tile. Here's what it looks like on the Home Depot site. I ended up needing 30 of them. Now this is the grout I used, Arctic White. It looks really nice. And then this is what I used to glue it to the drywall. The Omni Grip, which worked really well. Now for this size kitchen, I only needed one 4-quart container of each one. And again, there's the grout. I thought the grout turned out really nice. These tiles are really nice. Some things I would recommend, so buy a bunch of the spacers. And you're going to need them, even though they're kind of all attached together when you put up a big sheet. I would try to put spacers as much as you can, because sometimes you will get some of the tiles kind of moving. But again, I use just some white caulk with white cabinets. This just looks really sharp. And again, probably one of the hardest parts was getting the haze off of here when you're doing the grout. So you put the grout in, let it dry. Well, you want to wipe some of it off to kind of form your bead. But then you want to let it dry for 4 hours, and you got to come back and rub really hard to get the haze off. So that was really, really hard. Yeah, it cuts really easy with any standard ceramic tile saw. Okay, so here's what the individual tiles look like. They come on these big sheets. You can just tear them off when you need individual pieces of tile. I found, yeah, they just look really nice. Very well made. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.